Hey crafters, it's Gareth here with Created Home with G. It's lovely to be recording a video for you. I'm just coming on to do a really quick and simple Easter spring floral arrangement using items from Poundland. As you can hear, I'm still having problems with my voice. Just a quick health update. Still waiting at the current point of me recording this video, and I'm recording this video, I think today's date's the 21st. You'll probably see this tomorrow, which will be the 22nd. I'm still waiting for my appointment for the operation. Still having a problem eating, drinking, talking. But I'm looking forward to getting the operation done and recouping, and then coming back later in the year. And if not later in the year, then it'll be fresh and new next year, because I really want to focus on getting the health back up and running, and that's my priority. I miss YouTube, I miss you guys. Please keep an eye on the community tab, and I will come there and post, and we'll have a chit chat and whatnot. But videos, they're really not going to be happening very often. I will, I do get creative and I'm doing home decor things, but it's difficult some days because of my voice, and I don't want to push myself, and I don't think any of you guys want me to do that. But I am going to do a little video with you today. I'm going to be using items from Poundland, which is the UK's dollar store. I'm going to be using this Easter treat basket, and I've got the blue because I'm going to be using some blue daisies. Some blue daisies. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sprays, and each spray you get 6 heads. So I'm going to clip all those off, and then I've also got a little butterfly which I'm going to put in there, and I've got some faux fern which I'm going to cut off the stems and use those. And obviously the only other thing you'll need is some floral foam floral oasis, so I shall be using that. So there's no hot glue. Really all you need is 4 items: a basket, styrofoam and some flowers. So let me get all these snipped and I'll be right back with you. Okay crafters, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push a lot of these ferns to the almost at the top, and I'm going to use this as my base. So I'm going to put these in first, and I want the lid, the handle, to stay up. So that's one thing I'm going to make sure that I keep in my mind's eye, that I want the handle to stay. So some of these I will push right down deep into the oasis, and some will be further up. And I think when it comes to any flower arrangement, you've got to have a good base. And when I say base, I don't mean the oasis, I mean the fill-in plant, the fill-in flower. Okay, and let's move on over to our blue daisies. Again, I'm putting these in at straight. I'm putting them in at angles. I'm pushing them in so that they go quite deep towards the oasis, and some will be sticking out further. The thing with floral arrangements, and I say this to anyone, especially when I get so many lovely comments, it really is what you see as beauty. If you see something and you think it's beautiful, then that's what you need to focus on in regards to where you put things. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank so many of you for your messages, your emails, your gifts, your flowers, your cards. It is so humbling and so touching that you would take your money, your time, your energy to do something like that for me. It honestly really means the world to me. And I know that those of you that know me know that I need to focus on my health, and you understand that and you appreciate that, and you'll know that I will be back on YouTube as soon as possible. I'm hoping it's going to be this year, in the autumn, but it may well be that I take this year off and focus on my health, and then back fresh and new in 2020. But I'm not going to say that that's going to happen, because I don't know. I may well be back sooner than any of you or even me anticipate. And there we go, guys, that's it done. One more, and that is very simple, very full, very pretty Easter arrangement. I'm just going to pop in a little butterfly, and there we go. I shall have some pictures so you can see it at the end. But thank you very, very much for joining me, and you will see me again, or hear from me again, on the community tab, which is the third or fourth tab in. So you have home, video, playlist, and community. So please keep an eye on that area, and I'll be there communicating with you all. Thank you very much. Take care now. Bye bye.